Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nurmaimi Ratnafuri with student number 8310220194 from class ESPF. Today I will be presenting a summary of several studies related to English for Specific Purposes or ESP, focusing on the needs analysis in various professional fields. So let's begin with the first study. Study 1, Needs Analysis and ESP Course Design, a case study of the Institute of Nutrition, Food and Agro-Food Technologies by Lamia El-Mehta 2022. Research type Qualitative Descriptive. Participants 12 doctoral students, 10 subject teachers from Mata, Algeria. Techniques of collecting data, 2 sets of questionnaires, 1 for doctoral students, 1 for teachers. Techniques of analyzing data, descriptive qualitative analysis like percentage, frequencies, and thematic suggestions. Aims or research questions. Aims to analyze the English needs of Master 1 students for ESP course improvement. Research question 1. What are doctoral students' attitudes towards the previous ESP course? 2. What problems are encountered when using English? 3. How can the course be improved? And from the results, positive attitudes toward ESP, but weak writing and speaking skills. Main problems, vocabulary, comprehension, and pronunciation. Improvements needed, more time focus on pronunciation, speaking practice, and using scientific texts. Study 2, a needs analysis of ESP in textile engineering profession in Ethiopian context by Medanit Palacio 2020. Research type, mixed qualitative with quantitative support. Participant 156 textile industry workers and 8 interviewers from textile companies in Ethiopia. Techniques of collecting data, questionnaires 200 distributed, 156 returned, semi-structured interviews with 8 managers. Techniques of analyzing data, descriptive statistical analysis, percentage for questionnaires, qualitative thematic analysis for interviews. Aims to identify English language needs in the Ethiopian textile industry. Research question A. What English language abilities are required in the textile industries? B. What English skills are most frequently used? Results. In English is widely used for normal communication, like reports, emails, international correspondence. Speaking, writing, and reading are most essential. Lack of productive skills, like speaking and writing. Suggested activities, presentation, report writing, technical reading, and email writing. Study 3, Needs Analysis on English Language Used by Hotel Staff in Bandung by Alfian Azhar Yamin 2021. Research type, quantitative, descriptive. Participants 27 hotel staff members from various hotels in Bandung, Indonesia. Technique of collecting data, questionnaire via Google Forms. Techniques of analyzing data, descriptive quantitative analysis, percentage and frequency tables. Aims to analyze the English language needs of hotel staff. Research questions 1. How important is English in hotel work environments? 2. Which English skills are most needed by hotel staff? 3. What problems do hotel staff face when using English? Results. 80% of respondents rated English as very important for hotel work. Most needed skill, speaking, followed by listening, writing, and reading. Main problems, nervousness when speaking English, lack of vocabulary, and difficulty with foreign accents. Suggestion, focus ESP curriculum on practical hotel communication. Study 4, ESP Course Design for Indonesian Hotel Industry, Need Analysis by Yuyutri Kuntoro 2021. Research type, qualitative descriptive. Participants 3 front desk staff and 1 hotel manager at Kapal Garden Hotel, Malang, Indonesia. Techniques of collecting data, semi-structured interviews, participant observation for 4 hours. Techniques of analyzing data, thematic analysis, lacks necessities wants. Aims to identify the English language needs of front desk hotel staff. Research question A. What are the front desk staff's lacks, wants, and necessities in English language use? B. What the ESP course model is expected by hotel staff and management? Results. Lacks speaking fluency, listening comprehension, limited vocabulary. Necessities: English for check-in or check-out, room transactions, explaining facilities. 1. Focus on pronunciation, flexible ESP session due to shift work. Study 5. Needs analysis of English for specific process at Food and Beverage Service Department of Embassy Hotel Bandar Lampung by Fajariantika et al. 2020. Research type qualitative. Participants 5 senior staff members from the Food and Beverage Department. Techniques of collecting data. Interviews, unstructured, open-ended questions. Techniques of analyzing data. Transcription and grouping based on research question. Aims to identify language needs of hotel staff in developing English skills for the Food and Beverage Department. Research question. A. What language skills do the staff require? B. What challenges do they face? C. How do language skills affect their job performance? Results. Most needed skills, speaking and listening. Challenges, difficulty with accents and vocabulary. Training needs, more focus on speaking and listening. Study 6. ESP needs analysis for marketing students in an Indonesian vocational school. Insights from strategy analysis by LD Dian Hidayat 2024. Research type, mixed, qualitative and quantitative. Participants, 50 marketing students, grade 11 from SMK N1 Bone, Indonesia. Techniques of collecting data, questionnaire via Google Forms. Techniques of analyzing data, descriptive statistic, qualitative analysis. Aims to conduct a comprehensive needs analysis of ESP for marketing students at SMK N1 Bone. Research question. A. What are the preferred learning materials, methods, and activities? B. What are the primary motivations for learning English? C. What sub-skills are most important? And for the results, preferred learning materials, product management, marketing strategy. Preferred learning methods, group work, individual work. Motivations, fluency in communication, career advancement. Study 7. Needs analysis in English for specific purposes, ESP for nursing students by Yuriatson Jubari et al. 2022. Research type qualitative. Participants 36 nursing students semester 2 at Polytechnic Sandikarsa Makassar. Techniques of collecting data. Questionnaires distributed to students, ESP English lectures, nursing course lectures. Techniques of analyzing data. Descriptive statistics, qualitative analysis. Aims to identify ESP needs of nursing students. Research question. A. What level of proficiency do nursing students have in English? B. What are their needs in speaking, listening, reading, and writing? C. What materials and topics are important for ESP in nursing? Results. Most students have moderate proficiency in speaking, listening, and writing. ESP topics. Medical terminology, understanding work contracts. Study 8. A need analysis of ESP for physical education students in Indonesia by Budi Eko Pranoto 2020. Research type qualitative. Participants 50 physical education students from various universities in Indonesia. Techniques of collecting data, semi-structured interviews, questionnaires. Techniques of analyzing data, descriptive qualitative analysis. Aims to identify ESP needs of physical education students. Research question. How do physical education students perceive their English abilities? B. What topics do they need for ESP in their fields? Results. Need for ESP in sport journalism, refereeing, and coaching. Lack of speaking skills and vocabulary for professional communication. Study 9. A needs analysis approach to ESP design in Iranian context by Muhammad Ali Akbari and Mahnas Bekairi 2014. Research type mixed, qualitative and quantitative. Participants 48 students, 72 graduates from architecture department in Iran. Techniques of collecting data, questionnaires, semi-structured interviews. Techniques of analyzing data, descriptive statistical analysis, qualitative thematic analysis. Aims to investigate the needs and views of architecture students and graduates on ESP courses. Research questions. A. What are the specific English language needs of architecture students and graduates? B. What language skills do they need to develop? Result. Reading comprehension identified as the most important skill, followed by writing and speaking. Issues with insufficient course content and time allocation. Study 10 Needs Analysis in ESP Course Design, an example of a University of Technology by Jin Ling Lee, 2016. Research type mixed qualitative and quantitative. Participants 257 students, 62 males, 195 females from a University of Technology in Taiwan. Techniques of collecting data. Learners needs analysis questionnaire. Techniques of analyzing data. SPSS software for descriptive statistics, t-test, ANOVA. Aims to investigate the students' perspectives on the needs of their ESP courses. Research question. A. What English language skills do the students perceive they will need most in their future work? B. Do perceived ESP needs differ based on gender, proficiency levels, or future career expectation? Results. High perception of ESP needs, with listening skills identified as the most important. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insights into the importance of needs analysis in ESP course design. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.